your girl Yana. Welcome back to another video. This video is gonna be on a perm rod set. This is gonna be my first time doing a perm rod set. Y'all just gonna wish me luck. That's what I'm gonna need y'all to do. That's exactly what I'm gonna need y'all to do. Either way, if this fails, I'm still gonna post this. If this do great, of course I'm gonna post this. That just shows that I don't know, but I really want to master a perm rod set. I'm gonna do a perm rod set on stretched hair, so that's what I'm doing right now. Y'all, my freaking blow dryer broke. Like, no, this been like this for a couple months now, but no, it's starting to do this sound and it's broken and I'm so upset. So I had that blow dryer for years. Anyways, so went to Walmart today and got another one, and then I also went to Walmart and got the mousse for the perm rod set. I'm still trying to figure everything out. Like, I'm probably about to watch a couple YouTube videos right now. If you want to know how I blow dry my hair, go ahead and check out my braid out video. I have my blowout routine on that video, so y'all go ahead and check that out. My blowout routine up here somewhere. Every single time I need something, it always something comes up easy. I end up getting the Revlon blow dryer. It is 1875 watts. It has a little soft handle, and then on here it has like a turbo shot, and then it has a cool shot, and then it goes by hot, warm, cold, and then it has high, low. It's a good handle. I like this handle. And then I clearly got the one with the diffuser attachment. Today for my heat protectant, the Tresemme Keratin Smooth. But then I really want to try this other combo because I like how her hair turned out. But then again, this is my first time, so should I play it safe or should I say go ahead and be bold? Should I be bold? Cause like, okay, I think I'm getting the gist of what's about to happen. I don't know. Wow. Y'all know what? We're just gonna play it safe and use the mousse. I got the Lotta Body with coconut and shades oil, the Wrap Me foamy mousse. Never use this. Never use mousse on my hair. Like, I don't even know. Like, do you use one pump or what? Okay, we're gonna see. And I'm gonna be using the orange perm rods on this. Hopefully these are enough. It's first time. Oh, wish me luck, y'all. Wish me luck. Already starting off wrong. Okay, everywhere else. Okay, so I think I got the gist of everything. But okay, I think I did better on this side rather than this side. I ain't going to. I might do a couple over on this side. So all I'm doing is grab my little piece of this. There we go. Okay, and I'm gonna get 2 pumps of this mousse. Red tail comb. Make sure that it's smooth. Okay, and then I'm getting another pump and I'm just smooth it on the ends, just like that. Grab one of these perm rods. Are you? Every single time I turn on the camera, it just wanna act like I don't want to do this. Pull that and wrap that around. And when it get like, I have a little puffy in the front, I'm gonna smooth that further down. Then wrap it. Some of these. See, I thought this would be frizzy and this is actually cute. I need to stop taking these things out. It's like once you get a technique, then you can go up just like this. So I think I'll be doing this again. It really isn't time consuming if you know what you're doing, but this was time consuming because I don't know what I'm doing. This better be bomb. Okay, so y'all, this is the next day. I just woke up. We didn't see how this gonna turn out. This was very difficult to sleep in, so I advise not to do that, like, at all. Don't ask why I got the scarf under the bonnet because it doesn't make any sense. So I look like a grandma. Okay. Okay, I ended up using, okay, I bought 4 and I used 3, but I used the full 2. Thing I got left over is 4. I'm not finna count how many I used. Nope. Okay, how do I even start this? Okay, so I think y'all did a good job for my first time. I mean, look, okay, look at the curls. Bounce. Soft. I can't find my pick. As y'all see, I blow dried my bottom half, but I can't find my pick, so I'm about to blow dry my top half. Hopefully it doesn't get too frizzy, but we just about to see. I got the right results on the first try. I mean, God is always with me. I'm about to really try to find my pick because this is ridiculous. And to get more volume, I'm just gonna keep picking little pieces. Oh, so cute. Also, this video just shows just because you're doing something for the first time doesn't mean it's always gonna end up bad. Okay, y'all, thanks for watching. Hopefully y'all like the results because I sure doggone do. And make sure to subscribe.